All right, this is the opening. Nice. Well, you do what you do what you have to protect your client's stuff. Very well done. I'm actually stacking these, and the fan is trying to blow them over. Ooh, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. We got some that bubble stuff at the bottom. Let's see here. Oh, layers. Good. Looking good so far. Oh, that looks nice. Could be smoother, but it's good enough. I like it. Gives it a little what is it called? Uniqueness. Like it's battle scarred. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's battle scarred. But looks good. See if it fits. Ooh, smells like paint. Yeah, probably a little on the big side, but I'm gonna fix that anyways. Got to put in some mesh on the inside there. Then I'm gonna put probably put some weather stripping or something on the inside, some foam to make it comfortable. Yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, and it's not 100% of the original from the movie. If you can't tell, it's Shredder's mask from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie from the 80s. Yeah, pretty good. Good job. I like it. I approve. But again, could be smoothed out, sanded a lot better to get rid of all those lines. There's lines from the printing process. But I'm happy that they bolstered it on the sides to add rigidity there. I believe the original actually extends out this way at the top to go over the ear, but this is fine for what I need it for. And yeah, I like it. Overall, I like it. Thank you, Nikki.